Hello again to my YouTube channel. So today in this tutorial, I will try to explain for you the previous periods that we have. I mean previous month, previous quarter, and previous year. Well, I will show you that how we can apply those functions that we have here. So let's create in those measures and show you how you can build in this kind of periods in Power BI. Well, in this data that we have here is for financial. We cannot create instant measures in sales or profit. Well, let's try to build in these period functions in the measure. Well, I will see the previous measure, the previous profit that we have in the month. So let's create in a variable called prev month profit. Here I want to see the profit that I have in the previous month. Well, to do that, previous month here, we using the calculate function here. We want sum of profit. When I choose to raise the profit here, and here I is for a previous month, financial dates. So for date, let's close parentheses. So our measure is created here. And they want to see now let's create that in table, and I will add in the dates, and they will add in the profit here, and the new measure that I create about the profit for the previous month. So we try to compare here and see the profit that we have here, and I will drop in for day. I don't need it. Just I will try to focus in the month profit. So let's zoom in that. So okay, now, so as we see with me, we have the profit previous for previous month. So if we see with me here, the sum of profit for September there is here, and the previous profit for October is the same this September. Okay, we see the same around 7,100. Okay, well, the same thing for December. For December is the November. Okay, and so on. To see here, also we have we can create in for quarter. This is for month. Let's see the profit for quarter. So let's call it previous quarter profit is equal to calculate the sum of profit. Okay, there is close the parentheses. We add in previous quarter or financial date, good date. So I concentrate now for the quarter. We can also add in the quarter here and see the profit for the quarter. Here we have all these values is duplicated because we have the same quarter. For quarter four, we have this total sales for this profit. Okay, so the same thing for quarter one here for 2040. We have the same profit. Okay, so we assume So as you see with me here, we have this profit, or the total of the profit here for this quarter is quarter three. Okay, is in -1 here. We have the previous, I mean, previous month, previous quarter. The same thing here for this profit of the quarter four. Okay, the total of this profit that we have here for 3 months is equal to 3 million. Okay, so let's create in also the profit for the year. So we brief year profit is equal to calculate sum of the profit, close parentheses, comma. So previous year, we have this financial table is for dates. There is date here, not date. So we can also use this measure here. We add it to this power table and see the same. Here we have this number because the total of this. Okay, the total of this all we have, because we have two quarter. We have quarter three and quarter four in 2030. Just in total of 4 months, we have the profit of 4 months. For this reason, we have this value is duplicate here. Okay. Also, so we have the ability to build in our rate to see our profit, how is progress. Okay. To do that, so let's work in the same table. So here I don't need the profit of a year, the quarter. I want to see just the month. How we can do that? So let's create a new measure called rate of progress. Rate progress equal to I want the sum of profit. Here where is the profit? I want sum of profit minus previous profit of month. Okay, here let's close the parentheses first and close also here, and dividing by what? By sum, divided by the sum of the profit. We close the parentheses and there is here. Here let's write progress. We add it for here and see. And so let's try to transform this rate progress in percentage and see how it's progressed. So here, if we take in this example here, we have 100% because we don't have any previous profit, because our data is start here in 2040 in September. We don't have the previous data or previous months to see or to check or compare the sales or the profit that we have. So if we go to this October month, so we have this profit, and the profit is progressed by 53% is positive, but for November is negative. So the profit is decreased. Maybe we have some reasons we need to check to see that clearly. It's creating another table. Okay, content, the product, It's creating another table. Okay. We have the product and we have the profit and we have the rate of profits here. Okay. We have this data of 100% is duplicated, but to see clearly what's happened, if we go to this quarter 3, 2020, we click and we see here sum of profit. Okay. Now if we go here, we can see in October that the rate progress is changed. We have here 100% because we don't have any previous data as I tell you before, but if we go to next month, I mean October, we can see here the values is changed. Okay, for this product of Armelia, we have a progress, but Montana we have this profit is decreased. Maybe as I tell you before, we need to build in our hypothesis testing and try to explain or get the reasons why this product is decreased. Here we need to check deeply by going to the countries and see the profit. Where is the countries is where is the countries is interested in this increase of profit. Okay, what is the regions? Maybe we have or some cities or something like that, or constraint or district or something like that. If we go also in any other we have here also this Armelia product is more decreased. Okay, so we need to build in some hypothesis testing and try to answer our questions about this rate progress that we have here in the profit. Okay, maybe also we can create in other measure about the sales KPI is like a KPI, key performance index. So just call it KPI is equal to sum of sales, okay, divided by sum of profit. KPI, we add it to our data here. So we are interested in this table. It's added here, KPI. So here the relationship exists between the sales and profit. So the more profit increased, the more the KPI is small. That means the KPI it will be small to drawing some conclusions about the sales and the profit that we have in our data. So if this profit is small, that means uh this sales or the profit or this rate or this KPI give us an idea about sales and profit how it is. If this profit is small, I mean we don't have any good insights about our data. So I hope that's clear for you all. See you in next tutorial with some new functions in Power BI. Happy learning again and see you. Bye bye.